A very happy morning to all. Today, this class we are going to discuss about lesson number 8, International Economic Organization. What's the previous lesson? Lesson number 7, International Economics. Trade between two or more countries have been taken place. So, trade have been taken place between two or more countries. Which one is very important? There is a general organization and they can have a main important trade relationship. For the smooth functioning of trade relationship, any one of the common person is very important in order to undertake this international trade. LPG, liberalization, privatization, globalization, also world level trade. So for this purpose only, this International Economic Organization, it was introduced. Clear? So what are the main important international economic organization means? First one, IMF, International Monetary Fund, World Bank, or it is also known as IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, International Trade Organization, ITO, and each and every organization, another one, GATT, General Agreement on Tariff and Trade, each and everything it was introduced. Clear? This is a general introduction. And J.M. Keynes and Harry Dexter White are the founding fathers of both World Bank. It is also known as IBRD. What is another name for IBRD? World Bank. And what is another name for IBRD? World Bank. World Bank means IBRD. And who is considered the founding fathers of World Bank and International Monetary Fund means J.M. Keynes and Harry Dexter White. The Bretton Woods Conference proposed, they introduce, and they can have the main first important step in order to introduce many important international economic organization. That is the thing, IMF, World Bank, IBRD, ITO, International Trade Organization, and each and everything, GATT, all those things. And here, International Trade Organization, ITO, it was named as GATT. What is the thing? ITO, it was known as GATT. GATT means it is nothing but General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. Again, the GATT, it was again transformed the name into WTO. Now we can call it as World Trade Organization. It was introduced in the year 1995. Name clear? And we are having three important international economic organization. First one, IMF. Second one, World Bank or IBRD. Third one, World Trade Organization. IMF headquarters, Washington DC. Established in the year 1945. Very important thing. It is each and everything carries 1 marks or 2 marks. Each and everything. Fill up. They will ask the 1 mark, and they will ask in write a short note on IMF. Now it carries 2 marks. Clear? World Bank, it is also known as IBRD. Its headquarters is again Washington DC. It was established in the same year 1945. World Trade Organization, WTO, its headquarters is Geneva, and it is established in the year 1995. Clear? First one, what is the thing we are going to discuss today? International Monetary Fund. We are having so many international economic organizations. What is the purpose and what is the need and what is the necessity for creating each and every this financial institution? This international economic organization was created means in order to solve the member countries. Each and every organization, they are having certain important member countries, and to solve the member countries disequilibrium in the balance of payment, it is the main important aim of each and every organization, in each and every international economic organization. That is the main important aim of International Monetary Fund also. Clear? Its main important purpose, secure, promote economic, financial cooperation among member countries. And what is the present International Monetary Fund? How many member countries it is having means 189. It is very important 1 mark question. And which one is the 189th of International Monetary Fund member countries means Republic of Nauru, NAHRU. That place is known as, we can call it as, it is the 189th member countries of which one? IMF and IBRD. Republic of Nauru. What is write a short note on Republic of Nauru means it is a tiny South Pacific island nation in Pacific Ocean. Clear? Which one is the 189 member countries of IMF means Republic of Nauru, NAHRU. Clear? Objectives of IMF. What is the main important objectives means? First one, promote international monetary cooperation, facilitate balanced growth of international trade, establish multilateral payment, promote the flow of capital from developing countries to underdeveloped countries, and to advanced countries, each and everything. It can also solve the main important problem of international liquidity. And next one, reduce exchange control. Last but not the least, it can curbing or it can reducing competitive exchange depreciation. Clear?